Welcome to our video on how to generate passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. Passive income is a great way to make money without actively working for it. With the help of artificial intelligence and automation, you can create a sustainable source of passive income that requires little to no effort on your part. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Before we get started, let's define what passive income is. Passive income is money earned without actively working for it. This can include rental income, dividend income, and even income from investments. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to create passive income streams using technology and automation. One of the most promising technologies for creating passive income is artificial intelligence. AI-powered tools can help automate tasks, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on more important things. With the help of ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, you can create an AI-powered business that generates passive income on autopilot. So, how do you get started? The first step is to identify a niche or market that you're interested in. This could be anything from e-commerce to digital marketing. Once you've identified your niche, you can start exploring the various AI-powered tools that are available. One of the most powerful tools for generating passive income with AI is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate high-quality content on any topic. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can create a blog or website that generates passive income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even sponsored content. Another powerful tool for generating passive income with AI is Midjourney AI. Midjourney AI is an AI-powered platform that can help you automate various tasks related to your online business. With Midjourney AI, you can automate everything from customer support to lead generation, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on growing your business. And there you have it, our guide to generating passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. With the help of these powerful AI-powered tools, you can create a sustainable source of passive income that requires little to no effort on your part. Whether you're interested in starting a blog, launching an e-commerce store, or pursuing any other online venture, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI can help you automate and streamline your operations, allowing you to focus on what really matters, growing your business and generating more passive income. Thanks for watching.